we had. We learned about QNet. We also saw how many products we have under QNet, right? And now, Dr. Shafi, I'm going to take you through 30 minutes of a fantastic informational session. Mind you guys, in this 30-minute session, there are going to be magical moments where you have an opportunity to get some surprises. Are you ready? Fantastic. Let's start with a statement from the greatest scientist ever, Albert Einstein. He said, everything is energy. That's all there is to it. We are all human beings. We have the physical body, and when you break it down, organs. Organs have tissues, tissues have cells. Every single cell has got energy. So, we are not just human beings, but we are energy beings. We have an energy field which comes out of our body. We call it a human biofield. So every one of us, guys, we have an energy field. And this biofield interacts with environmental stresses like mobile phone radiation. We have, for example, right now, you're watching me live, okay? Your monitors are constantly emitting EMFs. EMFs are going to affect our human biofield. Let me give you a simple scenario. You finished your work in your office and you're going back thinking that you will be enjoying your night, you're going to be relaxed at home, but you're stuck in a terrible traffic jam, and there are hundreds of cars already locked in, and every single car is honking. Guys, listening to these kind of honking sounds, what do you expect? These kind of man-made frequencies give us something which we all know called stress. How many of you feel stress on a daily basis? Stress is a silent killer. Stress is part of our life. Simple things like you are late to the meeting. What to cook when my husband comes back home? Oh my God, my hot prospect said, no, he don't want to sign up. Imagine all these kinds of very, very small things in our life starts from your brain, because thoughts starts from your brain, but they manifest into a physical ailments. Stress distorts our human biofield. Remember, I told you we have biofield right now because of the mental stress. Because of the stress, it distorts our biofield. It exactly looks like this on your screen. When you look at this biofield, it is distorted, it is not uniform. I want to give you now a different scenario. Earlier, it was traffic jam, lot of honking. Hello, Mumbaikaris, you know what I'm talking about, right? I'm going to give you a different scenario. Imagine you are taking a vacation in a beautiful hill station or maybe a rainforest. When you are in a rainforest walking, what do you expect? Wow. Listening to these kind of natural sounds or frequencies, what do you feel? You feel rejuvenated. You feel like you are getting back, you're recharging your batteries. Yes? Let me show you. Earlier, the biofield was distorted, correct? When our brain is subjected to natural frequencies, the distorted biofield turns back to beautiful, harmonized, balanced biofield like this. Guys, do you want a solution for mental stress? Do you want to know how can we enhance our energy levels? Do you want to know how we can always be energized? Let me present to you from QNet and Amesqua brand, the first product of our WeCon 2020 virtual convention, the video. Ladies and gentlemen, present to you Amesqua Chi Pendant 3. I'm wearing it right now. This product, Amesqua Chi Pendant 3, it has got a unique technology called quantum field technology, where we have a proprietary resonating cell emitting 100 over natural frequencies. Imagine, when you are wearing a Chi pendant around your neck, you are as good as you are in a rainforest, even though you are actually in the midst of a traffic jam, or even you are in the midst of stress, or so many things that are happening around you. But Chi pendant is giving your brain 100 over natural frequencies. Who can use it? Everyone can use it. There is no age restriction. Even in your kids, in your home, 3 years and above, can wear the Chi pendant. And the best part, you can even wear it while you are sleeping. In fact, wearing a Chi pendant and you're going to bed, you get a fantastic sleep. And also, we are all networkers. Guys, you already know, if not the COVID, if not the lockdown, I'm sure you would be taking non-stop flights, correct? I'm sure you would be traveling all over the world to build your networks. Wearing a Chi pendant controls or restricts, or it actually helps you recover from jet lag. And very, very important benefit, it protects your body from the negative effects of EMFs, like mobile phones, like all our iPads, not televisions, all kinds of electromagnetic device, every single day we are using it. But how you can prove it to your friend? For example, you saw me wearing a Chi pendant, right? And your friend is there, and you're saying all these things, and he will ask, hey, come on, I don't want to hear from you. I want to see a demonstration. I want to show me something that I can believe it. Isn't it true, guys? So, how about doing a demonstration, a live demonstration in this WeCon Connect? So, let me call upon, for our demonstration purpose, I would like to invite our guest. Give a round of applause, guys, okay? AVP Suresh Perumal. Hi, AVP Suresh Perumal. How are you?
Fine.
Okay. Are you interested to help us understand?
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Are you having a mobile phone right now on your body?
Yes.
Guys, mobile phone. I'm just taking a simple mobile phone which everyone carries nowadays, correct? So, this mobile phone, I want to do a simple demonstration. Okay? All you need to do is stand with your 2 feet touching each other. So, there is no gap in between.
Okay.
And the mobile phone, you have to hold it in your right hand or right palm and keep it down. And his left hand is free. What I will do, I will turn his left hand palm the other way around. I'm going to use my fist, hold and take a tight grip. Okay? On the count of 3, AVP, I'm going to use my strength to dislodge you from where you are standing. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Oops. Guys, obviously we expect this, right? Because I am putting lot of energy, lot of pressure to displace him from where he's standing. Now, I'm not going to change anything. I'm only going to give you the Amesqua Chi Pendant 3 to AVP. And I ask you to energize yourself by keeping it in your palm, rubbing it for a few seconds, like 30 seconds. Okay? Guys, you don't need to do, all the time energizing. If you're wearing it, your body is automatically energizing. You leave it there for 15 minutes, your entire body is already tuned to the frequencies. You can wear this pendant now on your neck, and we go back to the same demonstration. Sorry, guys. The mobile phone, you're going to keep it again in your hand. And your 2 feet closer. Yeah. On the count of 3, I'm going to do the same demonstration again. 1, 2, and 3. Come on! Wow. You're really strong, right?
Yeah.
So, AVP Suresh Perumal, tell us, what was your experience first time and second time?
I'm very surprised. Before the Chi Pendant, I felt that my body was so weak. After the Chi Pendant, very surprised. Believe me, Dr. Shafi, the energy was totally different within my body. I believe we should have it, this Chi Pendant. Okay, guys. Mobile phone radiation basically disturbs our brain frequencies. So you cannot concentrate, you cannot focus. The moment you have an energy pendant called Chi Pendant 3 around your neck, it is basically allowing your brain to concentrate, to balance, to focus 100% on your task. The task that I was given to AVP is to stay there and just be steady. With the Chi Pendant, he was able to achieve it. Thank you for helping us understand how Chi Pendant 3 works. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to AVP Suresh Perumal. Everyone should have a Chi Pendant 3. Ladies and gentlemen, wow. There is some kind of a signal for our first magic moment. Are you ready, guys? I told you, right? There is a magic moment during our sessions. Right now, the first magic moment. How many of you are on Instagram? Our Amesqua is on Instagram. All you have to do, if you want to get the surprise, is to log into Instagram account and go to our handle, Amesqua Official. If you are wearing a Chi Pendant 3, you are going to take a selfie. You know how to take a selfie, correct? Take a selfie while you are showing off your Amesqua Chi Pendant 3, and you hashtag Chi Pendant or hashtag VCC 2020. And don't forget to make your page public. Welcome back. That was a fantastic magic moment. You can do, our Instagram post is live. You can do it after our session when it finishes, okay? Now, I am moving into a next segment. Are you guys all energized? Now, let me talk about lifestyle. In the first segment, we touched about
mental stress. We touched about mobile phone radiation, all kinds of negative frequencies. Now, let me talk about lifestyle. What we eat and what we drink. Our food supposed to be 80% alkaline and 20% acidic. But in this fast-paced life, we are exactly doing opposite. We are eating all kinds of fast foods, stored foods, preserved foods, the food with a lot of processings, chemicals. And coming to the second most important thing for our survival is water. Drinking water is very, very important because our body, human body, is made of 70% of water. And the water that we drink, it is coming not from the natural resources today like rivers, but they are coming from reservoirs, or they are coming from pipeline systems which were built over 70 or 80 years back. Ultimately, the result is that we are drinking the water which we call it as dead water or distorted water. And when you look these waters under microscope, the structure of these dead waters, it appears like this. The dead water doesn't have any kind of hexagonal crystal structure. It is distorted. It doesn't have life force energy, which we all need in order to hydrate ourselves. But don't worry. QNet, Amezcua, has the solution for you. I'm going to introduce the next revolutionary wellness device, Amezcua BioDisc 3. If you have this product with you right now, in your home, in your office, you can convert any amount of dead water into structured water, or the water which has got life force energy. How does this structured water look like under microscope? Let me show you the picture. So structured water looks so immaculate. You can see the hexagonal crystal structure. This hexagonal crystal structure is so beautiful, and it is because of the result of BioDisc. I want to play a video before I explain how the BioDisc 3 works. Let's have the video. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you a revolutionary Amezcua BioDisc 3. Amezcua BioDisc 3, it has got 3 very unique features. The first one, it is infused with minerals and crystals. It undergoes a special energization process. And the third one, the BioDisc has got a unique design on top of it. If you look at closely, our Amesqua BioDisc 3 has got a unique design. It follows the principles of geometry. And guys, this design alone has got a specific function, and this is amazing. If you leave the BioDisc in your environment where you have laptops, where you have all electronic gadgets, the design alone transforms harmful man-made frequencies into beneficial frequencies. If you are caring about your kids who are constantly addicted to mobile phones, this kind of technology, you definitely consider having a BioDisc for your home. And BioDisc, the main function is to energize the water that you drink. So put a glass of water on top of it or a bottle of water, leave it there for 5 to 10 minutes, the water structurizes. If you want to carry the BioDisc in your pocket, fantastic, because your entire body, 70% is made of water. So you are getting structured water in your body, entire body. You can feel the difference. Your energy levels will be up. The people around you will notice, hey, what happened to you? Why you are so energized? I can see that you are lively after using the BioDisc. And BioDisc for ladies is fantastic. All your personal care products. You can put your personal care products on top of the disc, leave it there. It will get energized and absorbs better. The chemicals won't affect your skin. And also, you can keep your BioDisc inside the refrigerator, where we all store fruits, vegetables, milk, and all this stuff. With the BioDisc energy field, they last longer. The shelf life of your fruits and vegetables extends. Isn't it fantastic? Now, I recall the first ever BioDisc was launched in the year 2006. It's been 14 years of legacy under Amesqua brand. We have introduced first generation of BioDisc Chi Pendant, and we have BioLite. We have other products also. And it's been 14 years. From my bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you for all of you who are using, supporting, giving us testimonies that you love Amesqua, that you love our products. QNet and Amesqua brand determined to always bring you the products which have 100% safety and 100% efficacy. So we have certifications from independent laboratories or independent institutions confirming the same efficacy and safety. Couple of years back, we went one step ahead and we also started doing clinical studies. You understand how important the clinical studies are. They validate the claims that our energy products actually have. And to help us with clinical studies and also to validate, we also started advisory board, our QNet Scientific Advisory Board. I want to introduce you the first member of our QNet Advisory Board, Dr. Konstantin Korotkov from Russia. He is a fantastic quantum physicist who has 100 scientific papers to his name, and he also has 15 patents. He is the inventor of a device which measures your human biofield. And this week on, he took out his time out of his busy schedule. Okay, he's the most, you can say, requested person by so many governments, and he agreed to record a special message for all of us. Let us see what Dr. Konstantin Korotkov has to say to we family.
I'm Professor Konstantin Korotkov, and I'm scientific consultant for Kunet companies for many years. And in this strange time when we can't meet, we need to be only online, the most important to keep your energy high and to keep your immunity, because your immunity depends on your energy. For this, you need to get fresh air, you need to get water, you need to walk on the streets to make exercise, and of course you need to use different supports. And Kunet products, and first of all, Kunet BioDisc 3 will help you a lot. We did a lot of research with this BioDisc 3, with water, with people, with big group of people, and it was demonstrated that it's really very helpful. I'm looking forward to make new research with BioLite, and we plan this, and I'm sure again we'll have very good results, because I believe in Kunet company. It's like a family. It's not just a business company. This company is designed to help people, and for many years it proves it more and more. So please be healthy, keep your energy strong, and I hope to see you, a lot of you, next year at our Kunet meetings. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Konstantin Korotkov. Indeed, we are one family. Thank you for your message. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you our second member of QNet Advisory Council. Let me have Dr. Beverly Rubik, all the way from California, USA. She is the prominent biophysicist. She is involved in a group of scientists who were responsible to make biofield a real medical term accepted by our medical fraternity. If today we believe that there is a real biofield, Dr. Beverly Rubik's contribution is fantastic. It is, the best contribution to the human society. Now, Dr. Beverly Rubik also recorded a message to all of us, but I'm going to play it in my next segment. Okay? So guys, I can hear some siren. So the magic moment. The second magic moment, guys, right now is on your screen. Okay. Amesqua has a social media page on Facebook, which is Amesqua Worldwide. You have to log in into your Facebook, search for Amesqua Worldwide, like it, share it, and there is a small funny game for you to participate. Okay, there is a moving biodisc when you play the video, and you have to stop the biodisc with your finger pad against the backdrop. If you are lucky, if you are very precise, you can screenshot and put it in the comment section. You never know. There are a lot of surprises waiting for you, and you can be amongst one. Participate, guys. Matter is energy. Energy is light. We are all light beings. Albert Einstein told this very important message that we are light beings, not just only energy beings. Light is very important for our survival. Every single human cell, or living cell for that fact, emits light, which we call it biophotons. Biophotons are emitted by our cells, especially from the DNA inside our cells, and they determine our very important health and wellness. Today, in this virtual week-on, where we have 200,000 warriors watching, I am going to launch a Mesqua BioLite 3, a revolutionary device in light therapy. And I am going to play the video, and then we are going to understand this product. Week-on 2020. Give a big round of virtual welcome to our Mesqua BioLite 3, a revolutionary device in biophoton light therapy. The biophoton light therapy, our Mesqua BioLite 3, as you can see, it is so sleek, ergonomically designed. Anyone can use it in your home. Even your kids can easily operate. It has got two sensors. The first sensor with a power icon. All you need to do is place your finger pad and wait for 7 seconds, and the BioLite is powered on. As you can see, it is in a red color right now. The beauty of the BioLite, when I touch second time, it converts into green. Another time, blue, and finally the white. These colors, they alternate with every single touch. It is so easy to operate. Now, what are these colors mean to you? Every single color has a specific set of benefits. Ladies and gentlemen, we all have the days where we undergo pain, stiffness. We have discomfort in our body. So every single color. Let me talk about the red color of the BioLite right now. The red color of the BioLite is designed to take away the pain. It elevates your mood. It activates the hormones in your body, and it also promotes cell regeneration. The second color, which is green, it is to activate liquids, activates the food on your dining table, or also activates your liver, which holds the most number of toxins. We all socialize. We also have, few habits which are responsible for accumulation of toxins. You can shine the green color from the BioLite on your liver, and you can actually help to detox. The next color is blue. Blue color, it calms your nerves. It also helps to boost your sleep. And it is also important color to remove inflammation from your body. And the next color is white. White is to purify the space in your office or in your home, you can have the white LED from the BioLite 3 and it purifies your space, and also you can use it while you are meditating to improve your level of consciousness. One very important feature Amesqua BioLite 3 has, in the center of the BioLite 3, there is a LED which is near infrared. Near infrared LED is always on, irrespective of what color you're operating on. Infrared 850 nanometers wavelength is proven clinically, therapeutically, to alleviate pain in your body. And it has been very, very helpful with skin repair. Ladies and gentlemen, present to you at this week-on, a sleek, slender, revolutionary Amesqua BioLite 3. Remember, I told you we have Dr. Beverly Rubik. She has recorded a special message about BioLite 3 for all of us. Let's watch it.
Hello, I'm Dr. Beverly Rubik. I'm excited that QNet is launching the Amesqua BioLite 3, a new wellness device for you and your family that everyone will want to add to their home care. The new BioLite 3 emits packets of light. In science, we call them photons. So, we call this light therapy or photon therapy. Whenever you hurt yourself and have pain or swelling from a cut, a bruise, a strain, or sprain, use BioLite 3 to speed your recovery. You'll feel better faster. How does it work? Photon therapy increases your blood circulation using pulses of infrared and colored light that penetrate into your body and take away the biochemicals associated with injury that your body makes. This means pain relief and faster healing. Did you know that NASA astronauts use photon therapy for injuries during space travel because they don't want to take any drugs that might affect their performance? Photon therapy is completely safe. It's the new state-of-the-art in advanced self-care. I know you will enjoy using the sleek, beautiful Amesqua BioLite 3, and so will everyone else.
That was a fantastic message. Thank you, Dr. Beverly Rubik, for reconfirming that our Amesqua BioLite 3 is the safest modality ever. Even NASA scientists, they prefer light therapy. Guys, you log into your e-store right now, and there are fantastic promos. And there is a Amesqua BioLite 3 promo also for you, which you should not miss it. Before I end my session, I want to say one very important thing. We have one life. It's not about how you live your life. It's about how quality of life you're filling with all of quality in your life. Okay? With this message, I'm going to say thank you very much, and I'm going to hand over to Miss Lena.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shafi. And guys, let's give Dr. Shafi another round of applause.